Hi, uh, good morning to all. Now we are going to see that these are the configurations of functions. So when you configure it, what are the parameters there in the Lambda functions? Okay, so environment variables. So environment variables is nothing but you can pass your variable to the Lambda functions and you can reuse it. For example, if I go here, so you have something. So this is environment variables. So I'll create a name and its value, and I will use it in this code. Okay. So I will explain how to reuse in the code in upcoming videos. Right now, you understand that we can reuse that variable in the code actually. Okay. Uh, and after that, execution role. So execution role, what kind of role you are going to define? You can't give the full access to the Lambda functions. For some Lambda functions, it required like only fetching the data. Only fetching the data from the system. And some Lambda functions requires only it's read and write actually. So based upon that, you have to define the role. Okay, and the memory. This third is the memory. Memory is that when your code takes a lot of time, you have to increase the memory. Accordingly, your time period also will increase actually. Okay, so memory and timeout is interrelated. Okay, so you have to tell that how much your your code is takes a time to execute the things. Otherwise, if you define less than the threshold value, it will be timed out, and it will throw that it has been timed out due to it is beyond the threshold value. And VPC. VPC is so if you want to run your Lambda functions, it has to be in some specific VPC or uh, thing. So that's why it will another parameter will be a VPC is another thing. Concurrency. So concurrency is like if you want to run like a multiple threads, same thing I want to run in a multiple threads. So for that purpose, I will define the concurrency actually. So if you come here, I have a concurrency. So till now I have 200. I can reserve for 200. Means I can't use it. So remaining 800 only you can use it. Okay. So I'll make so this is like a parallel thread operations. So I'll use for concurrency. I told no VPC. So still my Lambda functions in doesn't have VPC. I have not created any VPC, so it's showing here. Okay. Cancel. And next one is uh, this is a thing I told you, the memory as well as the time. So you can increase your time. Okay, you can increase your time, and you this is increase your memory. Okay, and you can increase your time also. Okay, like 100 seconds, so it 140 seconds like that. Okay, and next is asynchronous invocations. Okay, if I want to invoke this process in asynchronous manners, uh, that synchronous way. So that is the thing. So another thing is like whenever you develop any applications or any code, it has a dependency file. Okay, so that dependency library files also should be attached. I mean, that should be also be attached. That should be zipped and uploaded. Otherwise, if you don't have any dependency, definitely system will throw the error. For example, I have a dependency of this. When I go to the code, uh, see here, I have a code. Okay, we will see the remaining explanation part in the next video.